How will you feel if I serve you this yummy delicacy, this Zobo tea for the morning? Look at that. Bunch of goodness. Bunch of goodness. Ah, it's yummy. Hello, fam. Good morning, everybody. Let's make this healthy detox meal, Zobo diet. This is our chief ingredient. So this is basically pepper, hibiscus, flower, petals. So this is cloves. We got some date and ginger and our pineapple. What a confirmed detox diet. So let's get started ourselves. First of all, I'm going to shift this aside. In the clean water, put in the leaf, a teaspoon of salt into this. Salt is a purifier, and also an amazing taste bringer. Boiling water, pour it into it. You see, this contains a lot of flavonoids in the body. Now I have my two knives. I don't know which one to use, this or this. Never use this or this, so let me try it. At least very sharp. Wow, I'm loving the effect. Guys, what does this knife do? I don't really know. What's the use of this particular spoon? Here is the full set. The link is on my Amazon. You can shop it there. But please, can you enlighten me? What is the work of this? Who knows? Should drop it at the comment section. Let us all learn. But I think it's serving for this particular serving. Whatever. So you know what the time is. It's going right into it. Wow. Yes, that's how we roll. Nutritional antioxidant packed. Don't want to miss out on it. Oops, oh my god. Oh, yes. Another 10 minutes. Thereabouts. I'm going to be using the cloves, ginger,